ho! Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be showing you guys 30 common spots in your house where you guys can find all your Christmas gifts. Now, before we get started, make sure you guys like and comment on this video, because if this video gets 10,000 likes, we are going to give away a PlaysStation 4. Now, to enter, you guys have to like and comment in this video, and one lucky winner will walk away with a PlayStation 4. So let's get this video going! Alright guys, so the main place you want to look is your parents' bedroom. They have a lot of spots where they probably hid your presents, but one of them is probably under their bed. Now, when you guys look under their bed, you might find not only one gift, but maybe all your gifts, because there's a lot of space down there. Now, if you guys take a peek and don't find any gifts, then you guys probably want to look in this next spot, which is their pillows. They probably put some gifts in their pillowcases. And check that spot out, because it's a really clever spot to hide your gifts. If you guys didn't find anything in the pillowcases and their drawers are accessible to you guys, check out their drawers, because chances are, if it's a small or medium gift, it's most likely gonna be in their drawers. If you guys don't find anything in those spots, check out their closet. If you guys look at your dad's stuff, he most likely has a hoodie. And now in a hoodie, you have the actual hood that goes over your head, and that's a good spot for a present. I know I would have used that spot myself. So I would look there, guys. Also, a long coat with pockets is a very clever spot to hide a gift. And if you guys see one of those in your dad's closet or your mom's closet, take a peek right there as well. I know Mrs. Claus has a whole bunch of shoe boxes in my closet that I don't like, but I'm pretty sure she hides good gifts in those shoe boxes. Now, as far as for you guys, your dad or your mom most likely also have shoe boxes for their shoes. And that's a clever spot to hide a gift for either you or one of your siblings. So definitely take a peek right there as well. And while you're in there, guys, there's most likely going to be a pair of shoes, right? Shoes are a perfect little spot to also hide small gifts. So if your parents are smart and they know you're going to run in there and check that shoe box, chances are you'll never check the shoe, right? So if you check the shoe, guys, then you might even find a gift card in there. You never know. But it's a good idea to check all the shoes. And if you get caught by your parents checking shoes, just tell them you were shining their shoes. They'll never know the difference. Also, while your guys are in the closet, there's so many good spots in there. If there's a backpack, chances are there might be a gift in there, guys. So do take a peek in every backpack you see in the closet. Or if it's not even in the closet, if it's just in the bedroom, pick up that backpack and have a little peek. Because I know I would hide a gift in a backpack. A spot where you guys never think about looking is the blinds. Parents know you will never look there, right? I would never look there. I know my siblings will never look there. Next is a smart dude. He'd probably look there. But for all us regular people, we'd probably never look there. So definitely take a peek in your blinds, because chances are there might even be a gift there too. Once you guys are done with your parents' bedroom, there's still a whole bunch of other spots where these gifts might be placed. Take a walk to the laundry room and look in your washer. That's a big space for a big gift. Also, while you're there, take a peek in that dryer, because chances are, if there was one in the washer, there's gonna be one in the dryer. So definitely have a look in both of those spots. While you guys are in the laundry room, there is a dirty basket where all the dirty clothes go. Definitely lift some of that clothes up, because there's a lot of space for a big gift. When you guys are in the laundry room, if there is a ceiling vent, parents can easily access that and place a gift in there for you guys. You guys will have no idea that it's in there. But believe me, guys, parents are very smart when it comes to hiding gifts, because they know their kids are very clever, and chances are they're going to look for every gift that they have. So definitely have a peek in your vents. But be careful, guys. If it's too high, don't risk it. When you guys are done with those two spots, make your way to the kitchen and look in that fridge. Now, you would never think that there would be a gift in the fridge, right? But there's some gifts that can withstand the cold temperatures. And as for the freezer, is a perfect spot where kids will never think about looking. So parents would be very, very smart if they placed a gift in there. And you would be smarter if you have a peek. So definitely have a peek in the freezer. Also, guys, on top of the fridge, usually you put your cereal boxes. If parents arrange all these cereal boxes, they can hide a gift right behind all of them and you would have no idea. But thanks to this video, you do have an idea and you're gonna go and look. You probably will find a gift there, but definitely have a peek. Next to that fridge is an oven. Now, an oven is used for a lot of things, right guys, to bake. But if it's not being used, chances are it's a big spot to hide a big gift, or even a little one, or a group of little ones. It doesn't matter. It's just a very good, intelligent spot to hide gifts for parents. Now, have a peek in there, guys, because you'd be very surprised, but you might find a gift there. Next to that is the dishwasher. Now, dishwashers are not only for dishes, but they're for gifts too, guys. If you have a little peek in that dishwasher, if you move a couple of those dishes away, you might find a little gift in there. Anything could fit in there, guys. Parents just use their imagination. They can fit a debit card, a gift card, whatever you guys can think of, it probably can fit in there, even a PlayStation 4. So definitely have a peek in there, guys. When you make your way to the sink, you go under the sink, you will most likely find all this stuff that's for the sink. But parents will probably hide a gift. Now this goes for all the smart kids. Parents are gonna have to get very, very intelligent to where they hide these gifts. And you guys should definitely take a peek under the kitchen sink because they're gonna think that you'll never look there, but you will. While you guys are swooping around the kitchen, I almost forgot to leave this one out, but look at the cabinets because all the cabinets have a lot of room for not only dishes, but for presents, guys. So definitely open every cabinet until you're content and you know that there's no gifts there. When you guys are done with the kitchen, make your way to the bathroom. Look at that nice shiny toilet and go for that toilet tank. Open that lid, you might find a nice little snug present in the corner. Now, once you guys are done with that tank, why not make your way to that toilet seat? Yeah, I know it sounds nasty, guys, but if you guys lift that up, parents know, believe me, that is pretty nasty and they know their kids would never lift that toilet seat to check if there's any presents. But if there was some gift cards and I put some tape under them and placed them right under that toilet seat, you would never find them, right? So definitely have a peek there, guys. For every restroom, there's a little cabinet mirror where you can open it, right? To put all your medical supplies or whatever you guys use. That is a very clever spot to hide a gift. So definitely take a peek in there, guys, because if you're getting little gifts for Christmas, chances are there might be a couple in there. Make your way to the garage because the next spot you're going to look at is your car. Inside of that car is a lot of places where you guys can find your gifts. Maybe behind the back seat on the floor, maybe in the glove department. Make your way outside of the car and pop the trunk because the trunk is a very hidden compartment in the car and the kids are usually never allowed in there because there's no reason for you guys to be in there, right? So it makes it a perfect spot to find your gifts. Everybody has trash cans. Take your trash bag out of that trash can and look under there because chances are you might find a gift in there too. It's a clever spot and we've used it before in previous videos where you can find your gift. Last but not least, the easiest spot is right under the tree. If you guys haven't already thought about that, yeah, right under your tree, guys. Usually when parents get their gifts, they wrap them and put them right under the tree. Chances are they didn't even hide them to begin with. They'll be right under your tree. And if you want to take a sneak peek at them, stay tuned for that. There you guys have it. 30 ways to find all your Christmas gifts. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Hey guys, Nex here, and just to reiterate what Santa Sin said at the beginning of this video, the giveaway that's up for grabs in this video is a brand new PlayStation 4, and if you want a chance to win one of these for Christmas, all you have to do is like this video and leave a comment below telling me what you hope to get for Christmas this year. This giveaway is open to anybody and it will begin once this video hits 10,000 likes. And again, to participate on your end, all you have to do is like and comment. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and for similar content such as this video, please visit my channel youtube.com/Nextraker. While you're there, why not subscribe? Best of luck to all of you who enter this giveaway. Have an amazing holiday season. I'll see you pranksters in my next video.